Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Speechify app on a device. Now if you want to install the Speechify app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to install the Speechify app, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install it. So after that you may simply open App Store on an iPhone, and if you are using Android, you may simply open Play Store on a device. So as you can see, this is the home page of App Store, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar. So make sure you are on the search section. So after that you may simply click on the search box and search Speechify. So after clicking on the option of Speechify, you may simply see the app like Speechify text to speech. So click on the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue. So if you are installing it on iPhone, you may just simply double tap on the power button, or you may click on the option of Install. So after clicking on the option of Install, the download process will start on a device and you will be able to install it. So that's it. That's how you can install the Speechify text to speech app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.